Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce package for painting in Unity in runtime and make a runtime texture for our object. Imagine we have an object and we will painting on the object and we will save the texture of this painting for the next time it will be usable for the texture, permanent texture of the object. Okay. Let's take a look at this package over here, which called Ink Painter. ES program released this package almost 6 years ago, 7 years ago, but they updated. And you just need to download the zip of the whole project and import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that, we should see here we have Ink Painter and sample scenes over here. We have several sample scenes. Let's check the first one. For example, we have these objects, and now we will paint on it. For example, something like this and like this as well. Okay, we can even change the color or the brush of our painter and click on main camera. In here we have mouse painter. We can add any texture we want instead of this paint brush. It is a simple PNG transparent object image, and in here we can change the color. For example, my favorite color green. We can draw something like this, and we can change the scale of brush. Look at this, and even erase. Look at this, it's perfect. And change the height or change the rotate angle, something like this. But let's do something like this here, and now click on this object. You will see this ink canvas attached to this object, and also it needs to have a mesh collider as well. We have a button here, save main texture or save normal texture to normal map. So I will say save main texture, and let's come over here, ink texture, ink painter here, and I call it Apple Fast Painted. Alright, now look at this, Apple Fast Painted here. And now we have this object. Let's duplicate this object and put it here, and now I can say drag and drop this texture. Look at this, it is exactly I've painted. This is really cool. Alright, let's check another example scene. In here, oh wait, I think I need to change the texture of this because it tries to get the how can I say, a source texture, this guy, yeah, from my that's it. Okay, now in this sample scene, in the previous sample scene we could paint on the object by mouse clicking, mouse drawing. In this example scene we can draw an object by hitting and colliding two objects together. For example, look at this. It works by colliding objects. And each object has a collision painter. In here it is the same method for brush itself, and in here we have the wait for timing for how much time we need to wait for start the process. This is really good. Okay, let's take a look at another one, and in here we have this painting on a sphere, surface painting. Actually, it's really cool. Let's take a look at another one, or something like this. Okay, and we have two kind of painting. First is color painting. Another one is topology painting, something like this. Imagine we are clicking on this object and we will see collision painter is here, but for that sphere one. And in here we have mouse painter. We can change the height of the object. Look at this. And even if we click on plane, we can say save the height one texture, and we can make a mountain, exactly like the train rise or train system of painting, making mountains or hills on the mesh of train. It is really cool. And another example was here. For example, it works look like color grab, but it works with texture grab. For example, right now this grab is on. I click on this guy, and now this is the grabbed texture, and I can paint with that grabbed texture. And if I click on grab again, and I click on this part, so look at this texture now grab. It is really cool. And for this sample scene, we have the image reflection. In the reflections, we can see the reflective of the color, and the lights are reflective. In this sample scene, we can see the texture is reflective on the ground. Look at this. It's really cool. And the last one, as my favorite part, is this guy. It is truly beautiful. Look at this. It's really, really cool. If I rotate the sphere, I do something like this, and it is really cool. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.